This is white sugar. For people who like to tell me the TV's loud, it's sure loud in here.
Excuse me. When you watch movies, this you should be loud. When you watch television, it should not.
Jane, Alexandra, Dawn, I love you. Washing my hands. Huh? Coconut milk. sick feeling that I ain't making enough dough for the fried dumpling. Y'all gonna complain.
Yeah, what?
Making enough dough for the fried dumpling. Yeah, I realize that I'm gonna make another small batch. I know. So y'all don't have to see when I make the other batch out. Guys, here's the dough you saw me made earlier, which was actually at 4 o'clock this morning. It's great if you let the dough sit for at least 1 hour, which in my case it was quite a bit more than 1 hour, but I was just preparing last night, so I thought it was a great idea to do it. I'm sure it did more good than harm, so no problem with that. So the dough is ready for the oil to heat up. Okay guys, I don't know if I already said it, but here's the dough that you saw me making previously. I like to make the dough sit for at least 1 hour before frying my dumplings, but this actually sat for quite a few more hours than one, because I was preparing for Sunday's dinner and I thought, why not prepare this also? I'm sure it did more good than harm, so no problem with that. So we're gonna get started on frying our dumplings. I don't want the heat too high, because you don't want them to get brown on the outside and then they're still raw on the inside. Some Jamaicans like to make their dough round when making fried dumplings. I don't particularly do that. You know, they like to just make round shapes like this. That's all up to you and your preference. That coconut oil smells so good. And that was the saltfish I had over there boiling for Ackee and saltfish to go with the fried dumplings, of course. Oops. Okay, so we're gonna fry those. I'll tell you how long I fry them on each side when I come back, okay? So it's been 3 minutes on one side and I'm flipping them. Look how they just puffed up. That's what I love. They just puffed up so perfectly. I'm sure they need a little bit more than 3 minutes on each side, but I don't want them too brown. I want them nice and golden. Okay, flipping them again. Some on the sides. I don't know if y'all know this, but I learned to cook mainly from my grandmother, which was my paternal grandmother, meaning my father's grandmother. Now, this is in Jamaica. Now, this lady can cook, but as you know, Jamaicans, we cook with no measurement. So, the one of my favorite things from my grandmother is her fried dumplings. My mom, who is not even her daughter, and I still talk about them today because they were just so moist and fluffy on the inside, so perfectly done to the point where you really don't need anything with them, just the dumplings themselves and some tea and you're good. And I have been determined that I'm going to make fried dumplings like her. And a couple weeks ago I attempted, by instead of using the water to make the dough as you saw earlier, that was coconut milk. And I really was like impressed with myself. But then I realized I probably should have let the dough sit a little longer. So you want to make your dough sit at least an hour, guys, before you make your fried dumplings, okay? You want to get your dough soft like this, but not sticky. I will put some measurements in the description from what I remember from what I did. If you recall, when I made the first 2 cups of flour, I looked at it and I called Jade and I was like, that's not enough. So I added another 1.5 cups. So I will give you the instructions for the 2 cups because I remember that off the top of my head very clearly. And then you can add more if you need as you go along. Okay, so these have been in here about 9 minutes. I've been flipping them from one side to the next, so one side wouldn't get browner than the other or darker than the other. Hoping I don't drop it while I'm doing that. This one just got in there. Okay, I'm gonna put the last batch in there and I'll come back when they're done. Okay guys, the second batch is finished. This is how goat look. Check this out. You feel that? You see that bounce? That's how you want them. Look at that. Look at that bounce. Oh my goodness. So the second batch is finished. I have 1 plantain. We're gonna fry that. And then I'm gonna make some ackee and saltfish. I already have a video with my ackee and saltfish, so I don't need to make another one of that. I just wanted to show you me attempting to make my grandmother's perfect fried dumplings. And guys, as far as leaving the flour, I told you I left it out for about, because let me see, it was like 2, 3 in the morning, so 4 hours. And I did not put it in the fridge. I left it out of the fridge because I knew as soon as I got up, I wanted to start making it, and I don't want it to be cold. I want it to be room temperature. So I left it out of the fridge and I covered the bowl very tightly with a clean kitchen cloth. Okay, so I'll see you back when I'm done, okay? Still cooking up, guys. Here's the saltfish cooking down now for me to add the ackee to in a little bit. A few plantains are ready. I'm so sad I didn't have more plantains than this. so hard to find nice white plantains right now. I don't know what's going on, or if it's just my grocery stores. I have a feeling it's just them. Pepper. I'll get a spoon instead of a spoon. Yeah. Guys, I just have to, for you guys. Oh, lordy, lordy, lordy. I'm gonna taste this, okay, guys? I'm gonna taste it. See? Perfect dough on the inside. Oh, my word. My grandmother is saying, girl, you did it. Oh, my God. I gotta have another piece. I did it, y'all. My grandmother is looking down and she is so proud right now. Oh, my God. I'm telling y'all, I honestly do not make fried dumpling much because I'm just like, no, I need to make her fried dumpling. I don't buy it from anyone, and I don't make it much because I get disappointed when I make it because I'm like, I'm not getting hers. But I'm telling you, I did. Oh, Jesus. All I need now is a cup of tea or my coffee over there. I'm good. Yeah. Huh. So, here's my perfect grandmother's fried dumpling. Ackee saltfish and plantain. Guys, from my kitchen to yours, from my family to yours. If you believe that I can bring goodness to your kitchen and your family, I would appreciate the support with a subscribe, like, comments, and share so that I can continue to bring positivity into your home and help you to enjoy delicious home-cooked meals with your family. Well, forgive my manners, it's November 1st. Happy November 1st, guys. God bless. Stay safe. Love you. Appreciate you so much. Thank you. Girl, girl, girl. You did it.